Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing my sweet potato casserole recipe with you. These are the ingredients that you'll need, and you can also find them in the description box with the exact measurements. I've roasted my sweet potatoes in the oven and I'm going to begin mashing them, and we're going to be adding butter that's been softened at room temperature. We're also going to be adding half and half. You can add milk if you'd like, but half and half does give you a creamier consistency. Once you've incorporated your half and half, we are going to be adding 2 eggs, and this is going to give you a fluffy casserole versus just a mushy casserole. Next, we are going to be adding our granulated sugar, brown sugar, and salt, and we're going to be incorporating this very well so we don't have any clumps. And lastly, we're going to be adding crushed pineapple. Now this part is optional, but I will suggest to give it a try as it does provide flavor and texture. We're going to be adding our sweet potato mixture to our baking dish, and we're going to be spreading this out evenly before moving on to our streusel topping. Now we're going to be moving over to our streusel topping. We're going to be adding flour, brown sugar, and butter to 1 cup of chopped nuts, and you can use any kind of nuts that you like. Once you've spread your streusel topping, we're going to be topping off the casserole with mini marshmallows before putting it in the oven to bake. I hope you give this recipe a try this holiday season, and I'll see you next time. Bye!